dot star, turn on regex, and then do a complete and a format. Save that. You know, Dominic showed me some pretty awesome tools for setting up a project. So let's see what we got here. We've got remove comments, and then we also have PubSpec assist. He also had some other pretty interesting ideas, so I would challenge him to create a YouTube video to describe some of the tooling that he likes to use, because it's pretty clear that he's got a lot of experience in this area. I'm a pretty simple guy. I generally run a pretty vanilla IDE setup. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot. So we'll do remove all comments, and that works beautifully. Don't have to fuss around with regex anymore. And we're going to do remove all comments in pubspec.yaml as well. Works beautifully. And then we're going to try the PubSpec assist. And one thing I'm looking forward to is the kind of search feature. So we're going to type in argstart, and you see it gives us a couple options. We'll choose argstart, and it places it in pubspec.yaml, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So I just want to thank Dominic for teaching me something, and I encourage everyone when they have an opportunity to teach me something. So thank you very much, and let me know in the comments what you like to use, and also if you have any video requests.